This is a guide on how to make and sell maki sushi in large quantities, even for beginners. Futamaki sushi. Chiyu maki sushi. Hosomaki sushi. Small size sushi roll making machine. It's easy to use, even for the first time. Small tabletop maki sushi machine. One machine can make futomaku, chiyamaki, and hosomaki. The plastic parts are easy to clean and sterilize. Put in the sushi rice. Cover the lid for sanitation. Turn on the main power. Set up for maki sushi menu. Put down nori. Switch on. Sushi gohan gets on top of nori and returns. Place the ingredients for sushi, guze, in the center. Maki sushi is completed automatically. Make a second one. Even a beginner can make maki sushi in large quantities continuously. Maki sushi manufacturing machine for mass production. This is a high-speed maki sushi manufacturing machine that can make 2,000 pieces per hour. Just put all kinds of food, guze, on it. Fried shrimp and pork cutlets can also be made into sushi. Let's create a new menu with a variety of ideas. This equipment can also make SUHSI MAKI SUSHI. Wrap sushi to make it COVID-19 compliant.